Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all the tips and tricks to keep your vehicles running smoothly. In today's video, we'll be diving into a topic that every car owner should be aware of: bad timing belt symptoms, causes, and remedies. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the symptoms, let's quickly understand what a timing belt is and its crucial role in your engine. The timing belt is a component of a car's engine that synchronizes the rotation of the crankshaft and the camshaft, allowing the engine's valves to open and close at the right time. It is made of a rubber material reinforced with fibers, and it is located inside the engine, typically behind a cover. The timing belt is an essential part of the engine's operation, and if it fails, it can cause significant damage to the engine. Over time, this belt can wear out, leading to various issues. Therefore, it is important to have the timing belt inspected and replaced according to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Common symptoms of a bad timing belt. Now that we know the importance of the timing belt, let's discuss some common symptoms that indicate it may be time for a replacement. Remember, catching these signs early can save you from costly repairs down the road. Here are a few red flags to watch out for. 1. Engine misalignment. One of the most evident symptoms of a failing timing belt is engine misalignment or rough running. Due to wear and tear or age, the timing belt can lose its tension or develop cracks. As a result, the synchronization between the crankshaft and camshaft gets disrupted, leading to engine misfires, rough idling, or even stalling. If you notice these symptoms, it's crucial to inspect the timing belt. 2. Engine vibration or shaking. When the timing belt becomes worn or damaged, it can cause irregular movement of the engine's components. This imbalance creates vibrations that can be felt throughout the vehicle, especially at idle or during acceleration. If you experience unusual engine vibrations, it's essential to investigate the condition of your timing belt. 3. Unusual engine noises. If you hear strange ticking, rattling, or slapping noises coming from your engine, it could be a sign of a worn-out timing belt. A rhythmic ticking sound from the engine is a telltale sign of a worn-out belt. Don't ignore this ticking clock. 4. Engine misfires. A faulty timing belt can cause the engine to misfire or run unevenly, leading to a decrease in performance and fuel efficiency. A misfire is when the spark plug fails to ignite the fuel-air mixture in the cylinder due to lack of proper timing of spark and compression. 5. Difficulty starting the engine. If your engine takes longer to start or struggles to turn over, it could be due to a worn timing belt. 6. Visible cracks or damage. Inspect your timing belt for any visible signs of wear, such as cracks, fraying, or missing teeth. These are clear indications that it needs immediate attention. 7. Power loss. If the synchronization of your engine parts is not in order, the engine cannot produce enough power. Your once mighty steed feels sluggish and struggles to climb hills, like carrying a backpack stuffed with bricks. 8. Check engine light. Bad timing belt might trigger the check engine light. This orange beacon might be the villain's confession note. Don't dismiss it. 9. Backfiring. In addition to engine misfires stated above, bad timing belt could also cause backfiring. That loud popping sound from the exhaust could be a sign of misfiring caused by the timing belt chaos. A backfire occurs when the combustion spreads back into the intake manifold of the engine because the valves do not close in time. Causes of timing belt failure. Understanding the causes of timing belt failure can help you prevent future issues. Here are a few common culprits. 1. Age and mileage. Timing belts have a recommended lifespan, usually between 60,000 to 100,000 miles or 5 to 7 years. Exceeding these limits increases the risk of failure. 2. Lack of maintenance. Neglecting regular maintenance, such as not replacing the timing belt as recommended by the manufacturer, can lead to premature failure. 3. Oil or coolant leaks. Leaking oil or coolant can damage the timing belt, causing it to deteriorate faster. Regularly check for any leaks and address them promptly to avoid belt damage. 4. Tensioner or idler pulley failure. The tensioner and idler pulleys play a crucial role in maintaining proper tension and alignment of the timing belt. If these components fail, it can lead to belt slippage or misalignment. 5. Contaminants and debris. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate on the timing belt, causing it to wear out prematurely. Regular cleaning and inspection can help prevent this issue. 6. Overheating. Excessive heat can weaken the timing belt, leading to accelerated wear and potential failure. Keep an eye on your engine's temperature and address any cooling system issues promptly. Remedies for a bad timing belt. If you suspect a bad timing belt or have experienced any of the symptoms we discussed, it's crucial to take action. Here are some remedies to consider. Follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, including timing belt replacement intervals. This proactive approach can prevent unexpected failures. 2. Visual inspection. Regularly inspect the timing belt for signs of wear, cracks, or damage. If you notice any issues, consult a professional mechanic for further evaluation. 3. Prompt replacement. If your timing belt shows signs of wear or reaches its recommended lifespan, don't delay in getting it replaced. It's a relatively inexpensive repair compared to the potential damage a broken belt can cause. Remember, timing belt replacement is a complex task that requires precision and expertise. If you're not confident in your abilities, it's best to have a qualified mechanic handle the job. Investing in a quality replacement timing belt and following the recommended maintenance schedule can save you from costly engine damage and potential breakdowns. 4. Professional assistance. So it's best to seek the help of a qualified mechanic who has experience with your specific vehicle make and model. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the symptoms, causes, and remedies for a bad timing belt. Remember, staying proactive and addressing any potential issues can save you from costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. As always, drive safe and see you in the next video.